Alright, first of the year, 2022. Trying out these new swim baits. On a Perception Pilot 12 kayak. Water's about 50 degrees. We are underneath the Channel Islands road underneath, and you can see some snow caps way out there, and some right above that roof line. Seems like there's some activity down here, so we're gonna give this a try. This is my favorite spot in the summer. You come down here underneath the bridge to cool off, escape the sun, but today is quite the opposite. It is cold. It's good. Alright. Hopefully my next video will be a nice catch. Happy New Year.